Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change email ID in Boo. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Boo application, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, where exactly can you get Boo? You can get Boo on Google Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. So launch any of these applications and look at the search bar. In the search bar, type Boo. Once you type Boo, follow through with the on-screen instructions to install. Now, after installing successfully, it's going to take you right into the sign up page where you're going to be asked to either log in using an existing account or to create an entirely new account. Now, whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Boo. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to change email ID in Boo. From this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the top left corner of your screen where you have the three horizontal lines. Now click on the three horizontal lines, and that's going to open up your account settings. Over here, you have profile, edit profile, my accounts, power ups, notifications, save posts, personalities, personality database, and settings. So go ahead and click on settings. It takes you here. We have privacy, language, dark mode, disable vibrations, use metric system, social feed, notification messages, safety tips, view tutorial, account help, send feedback, legal, and take survey. So go ahead and click on accounts. Once you click on accounts, it's going to take you right into this window where you have try pending purchases, change email, add, pause account, delete account, and log out. Go ahead and click on change email, and it takes you over here where you can now change this email. So go ahead and click on that. I have this email here, so you can now delete the email, and after deleting the email by clicking on the delete button right there from your keypad. So once you delete, go ahead and enter the new email, and once you enter the new email, go ahead and click on the send option that is here, and that is it. Your email ID is going to be changed in Boo. So this is pretty much the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.